Well, this is it. We've reached the final step in our revenue engine diagnostic, actually using everything we've learned to build a strategic roadmap for growth. All our other classes and work together so far have been building toward this moment when we can actually finally pull everything together that we've learned and start architecting a path forward. Up to this point, we've been investigating. We identified goals, created visibility, and leveled expectations with the go-to-market survey. We mapped the entire process of how revenue moves into and throughout our company with revenue mapping. We put ourselves into the minds of our customers and prospects with the experience audit. And we established baseline reporting with our benchmarking. Now it's time to shift from the investigation side of things to the implementation side. We're no longer detectives. Now we get to be revenue architects. So get your notes, review your processes, and get ready for the final piece of the revenue engine diagnostic. Let's go build that strategic roadmap to growth.